Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this is your girl John Kipsy Makeup, and today I'm going to be showing you how I did my cousin's makeup from the beginning to the end. Let's watch. So guys, welcome back, and this is my cousin. Before I start, yes, so today I decided to do her makeup, and the way you see the pictures is how I'm going to show you the steps of how I did all her makeup, how it all came out. So obviously, as I'm starting my makeup, I always start with an eyebrow, and today I decided to draw a dark eyebrow. I always use brown, but today I said do a dark eyebrow so that I can see how it comes out, how it looks. So guys, I'm gonna be drawing it and making it a little bit darker in the corners, and in the front I'm gonna make it a little bit natural. So I tried using the darker pencil because I've been using the brown one. I want to see the outcomes. And guys, if you want me to drop you my eyebrow video showing you how I draw my eyebrows, I'll put it down for you. But for now, let's try using the dark pencil until the outcomes. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll be dropping you more videos of how I do my makeup. And this look is gonna be a sexy, spicy look, simple but really nice, and you can go out with it anywhere you want. So let's get into this. So I decided to do a little bit of a lighter color to brighten up her eye and make it a little bit smoky but summer, so she can go out with this color if she's going on a party, if she's going on a beach, anything like that, because this color is really beautiful. So it's gonna be two colors I'm gonna be using. So I decided to use my palette, and I hope you're gonna see how I draw them. I started with a darker color but a little bit light, and then in the middle there is more brighter color, and in the sides I did a little bit again a darker color, but same looking like the one I did in the corner. So guys, I hope you've liked the makeup, what I've done. Please subscribe, like my channel, and thank you for watching.